Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will have exciting topic to discuss Terraform. In this video we will provide you with an introduction to Terraform and guide you through the process of installing it. So if you are interested in infrastructure as a code and automation your cloud deployments, you are in the right place. Let's get started. So first understand what is Terraform. Terraform is an open source infrastructure as a code tool created by HashiCorp. It enables user to managing and provisioning of infrastructure through code instead of through manual process. Terraform uses HashiCorp configuration language. It is similar to JSON but easy and human readable. Terraform is useful in case of multi-cloud and hybrid cloud. Let's understand the difference between Ansible and Terraform because Ansible also a IAC tool and Terraform is also IAC tool. So what is the main difference? Ansible, Safe, Puppet are configuration management tool, which means they are primarily designed to manage software on existing servers. Terraform are IAC tools which are designed to provisioning server and infrastructure themselves. Benefit of Terraform: multi-cloud and hybrid cloud support. Easy to integrate with configuration management tool. Terraform keep tracks of your real infrastructure in a state file. Then let's understand the Terraform provider. Terraform provider is a plugin of extension that allow Terraform and an open source tool created by HashiCorp to integrate with the specific infrastructure or service provider. Terraform useful command. Basically, Terraform has five common command. First is Terraform init. This command initializes a Terraform working directory by downloading the provider plugins and setting of the backend configuration. It prefers the environment for Terraform to manage the infrastructure resources. Terraform validate. This command validates the syntax and structure of the Terraform configuration file in the current directory. It checks for any error or warning and ensure that the configuration is correctly written, ready for use. Then Terraform plan. This command generates an execution plan based on the current Terraform configuration and state. It analyzes the configuration file, compress them to the existing resources and produce a dedicated report of the change the Terraform will apply when execution the plan. Terraform apply. This command apply the change specified in the execution plan generated by the Terraform plan command. It create, modifies and delete the necessary resources to match the desired state defined in the Terraform configuration. It promotes for configuration before making any changes. Then Terraform destroy. What is Terraform destroy? This command destroy the resources defined in the Terraform configuration. It reads the state file and perform a cleanup by deleting all the resources managed by the Terraform. It prompts for configuration before executing the destruction to prevent accidental delete of resources. Then next is provider versioning. Provider plugins are released separately from the Terraform itself. Let's understand how to install Terraform in Linux and how to give AWS credential to that machine. So I am in my AWS console homepage. Let me create a instance for Terraform installation. First go to EC2 and the launch instance. Let me quickly install the let me quickly launch the instance. Then click on the launch instance, give a name Terraform, then choose the IAM. I am choosing Linux 2, right? Then let it be T2 micro and key pair. I have already download this key pair, right? Then leave all those things and launch instance. It will create our instance. Okay, view all instance. You can see the instance and go to our git bash terminal. And then provide the public IP here. Just refresh it and copy the public IP and paste it here. Press enter. Fingerprint, yes. Okay, so I am in my virtual machine. So how to install Terraform, right? For that, first you have to go to the terraform.io official page. Terraform.io, go to this and click on this download. You can see here this Terraform page for Mac OS and for Window. You can use this window for your laptop also, Window laptop, and for Linux I'm using the Linux virtual machine, so I'm selecting this one. And first this thing is for Ubuntu and Debian family, so I'm copy this one and paste it here. Okay, okay, so it's download first. Then next step is download the binary file. So how to download this binary file? Just right click on the download and copy link address, then go to the terminal and the command is wget and paste the command link and press enter. Then it will download. You can check by ls-l. You can see the this is the binary file of Terraform. Then unzip it. Okay, so how to unzip it? Sudo, or you can simply unzip and the Terraform, press enter. Then once again ls-l, you can see this Terraform file is unzipped, right? So you have to move this Terraform file to the binary, right? So sudo bmv move Terraform file to the binary. User, where is the binary? User slash local slash binary, right? Press enter. It's moved and we can see the version, whether our Terraform is successfully installed or not. Terraform version. Now you can see our Terraform version is successfully installed, right? Let's do the demo of the how Terraform we can how to write our TF file, right? And let's do the demo for initialized and Terraform init and Terraform validation and Terraform plan and also Terraform destroy. All those five things I will demonstrate to you, right? So how to write the first question is how to write the Terraform TF file. So the best way is go to the AWS provider. So search it here AWS. Okay, Terraform AWS provider. Press enter. Go to this. And you can see here, this is the Terraform provider, right? And it has written uh, AWS means it's official. This is the official provider, and it's managed by HashiCorp, right? It has already written it's managed by HashiCorp. So, what is the first step? The first step is first make a directory, right? So, I'm making a directory sudo mkdir. The name is I'm giving the demo, right? Press enter and give the directory to the 777 permission. So sudo ch mode 777, then the directory name, press enter. Okay, ls hyphen m. Okay, it's a 777. Go inside the directory name, right? Okay, pwd, I am inside the demo directory. So first thing is write the provider plug, right? So sudo vi provider dot tf, right? You have to make sure that the file name should be anything, but the tf file means the terraform file will be .tf. It's mandatory, right? The extension should be tf file. That's why the terraform will read this file, right? So press enter, then insert I, then go to the AWS provider. Then you can see here use provider, right? You can use this code and copy this one and go to the terminal and paste it here, right? This is the AWS provider, and the here is the version of this, and source is HashiCorp slash AWS, and this is the provider block. And we are using the AWS provider. But here is the question. One question is how to know the Terraform, how to know the account, which account the resources will be created, right? For that, we have to provide the AWS credential, right? So how to give AWS credential? Let's see. So let's save it. Okay, before save it, do one thing, specify the region, right? Specify the region here, which region we want to create our resources. Here we can specify the region. So here is the statement how to specify the region. Okay, here is the step, or you can say that this is the procedure, right? Copy this one and paste it here. And I want to make my region is Asia specific Mumbai, because I am creating this one in Mumbai region. So it's a Asia specific Mumbai and the AP South one, right? AP hyphen South one, right? And save it. Okay, then the question is how to give the credential Terraform file, right? So the one way is install the AWS CLI, right? So for that we have required the two things. One is access key and another one is secret key. How to get this thing? Simply go to the AWS console and search it here, IAM, right? Identity access management, and go to this service and create a user, right? Then go to add user and username. I am giving Terraform. I am using this for Terraform, so I am giving this Terraform and next, and add user. Okay, I'm adding to this and the add the user to a group. Okay, so I am creating or I am selecting this one attach policy directly. I am choosing here admin policy, administrator access. I am selecting this one. Okay, administrator access. Okay, fine. uh, Click on next. Okay, then create the user, right? It's creating. Okay, user created successfully. Go to inside the user and click on the security credential, and then go down and create a access key. Create access key, command line, in command line interface, and click on this checkbox and next. Give a name. I'm giving Terraform, right? Create access key and secret key, and okay, you can copy this thing. Just first you have to install the CLI. Already the Amazon machine 2 has installed CLI, right? So how to configure AWS configure, press enter. It will ask the access key, right? So here is the access key. Copy this thing and paste it here, press enter. And the secret key, copy this one and paste it here, press enter. And let me do will be default. Okay, fine. Our AWS CLI is configured, right? So let's go to our demo folder and ls. I have already written the provider for, we can see the provider block here. I have already written the tf file for that. So let me create one resource, to create a EC2 instance using the Terraform. How to do that? So let's go to the documentation and search it here. AWS underscore for instance. I am creating. I will create the instance. So I am search here AWS instance. So where is the AWS instance? Okay, let me check. Uh, Sources content, AWS instance. Okay. Go to this AWS instance, and in this AWS instance you can get your code. Okay, so let me copy this thing and paste it here. Where? Okay, I'm creating one new file. Suppose I am the file name is sudo di ec2 ec2.tf, right? Press enter and insert, paste it here. So here is the resources. Here is the resource block for what? For create the ec2 instance, right? So here is the resource block, and here is the resource type is aws underscore instance, and here is the name. This is the name, means it's not the resource name. Suppose you will think that the we are going to create the EC2 instance. That doesn't mean the name will be web, right? It is the it is the name, internal name of the Terraform resource. It will used only in the Terraform code, right? And this is the tag, right? This is the tag, and this name will reflect when the resource will be created, the instance name, right? So This is the wave. I can change it here like okay, just a minute. Okay, it's fine. And press enter. It's fine. Let me change to my EC2, EC2, right? And the AMI. So the AMI, how to get the AMI? Go to your EC2 instance. Go to your EC2 instance, and okay, something is wrong. Okay, click on done. Right. Okay, go to your EC2 instance, click on it, and launch instance. So copy this thing and paste it here. Paste it here, right? And there's under the double quote. Let me double quote under double quote, right? It's fine. And the instance type is T2 micro, right? Then you can provide the key name, means the key pair name. Suppose key pair name is our uh, power cloud, right? Key name equal to what? Our power cloud. So spelling should be, here is the power cloud, right? Inside the double quote, power cloud, right? So I have written all those things. Here is the resource block, right? And save it. So our first step is what? Our first step is Terraform inet. Okay, so first let's check the ls. You can see here two folder are there, right? Now I am going to do the Terraform initialize. Terraform inet, press enter. It's initialize the backend and download some folder, some supporting folder, or we can say the some plugins and the libraries it will download, right? Now you can see by ls hyphen l. So it will, I think it's a hidden folder. So ls hyphen la, you can see this is the dot terraform and dot terraform dot log hcl, right? This is the file. You can see this is the file, and this is the directory, right? This is the Terraform directory. If you want to see the file, what is the file in the dot terraform dot log scl, press enter. You can see the version. Which version? This is the version, and this version I have already told you. This is the version. This version is managed by this, right? So first step is completed, and the next step is Terraform validate. What Terraform validate? Terraform validate whether our the TF file code is any syntax error or not. It will validate. So Terraform validate. Press enter. It's validate all the code, and it's give the result success, right? Then what will be the next? Terraform plan, right? Terraform, okay. Terraform plan. Press enter. It will show what will be happen when we will apply the Terraform apply command, right? You can say it's a, like a dry run. Okay, you can see AMI. The image is this image it will used, and the instance type here is the T2 micro, right? And the tag is name and this is the hello world, right? So and the plan is one resource is added and zero change. Okay, so let me terraform apply. Terraform apply, and you can see here, let me show the uh, yes, you can see here there is only one instance, and when I will apply this terraform apply command, you can see the one hello world instance is created, right? Press enter. Okay, enter the value. I'm giving yes. AWS instance dot ec2 creating. Okay, applied apply completed. Resource one added, right? One resource is added. So let me check. Let's refresh. You can see hello world, it's now created, right? All those things is created by using the terraform. So let me check ls hyphen l, right? So you can see one terraform.tf state file is created, and this file is generally known as the terraform state file, right? This state file contain all the information of our resources, whatever the instance I just applied, this information this file contain. Let me check terraform state file. You can see here all those information are present here, like the instance type. Here is the tag is the hello world, and the instance type, where is the instance type? Here is the instance type T2 micro. Everything is there in this state file, right? Suppose I want to edit something, like suppose I want to edit the this name, right? Hello world. Let me edit this one. So where I will go, I will simply go to the ec2.tf file. So sudo, let me first ls hyphen l, right? So I will go to this file. Let me edit this one. Sudo vi ec2.tf. Press enter, and I'm going to edit this one to power cloud, right? Save it, and terraform. Okay, let me check first. Okay, here is the ls hyphen l. So whatever file is there, this is there are three files, right? One is the provider, and another one is the ec2.tf, and this file is created when I will when I applied terraform applied command used, that time this file is created, right? So now I just edited our ec2.tf file. Now apply this one, terraform apply, right? See what changes is happen. Okay, you can see here the tag name hello world will be changed to the power cloud, and I'm passing the value here s. Okay, 0 added, 1 change, right? You can see here. I'm just refreshing this one. Okay, it will change to power cloud, right? You can see here, and let me check here what other file will be created or not. Yes, one new file will create, right? This is the terraform dot tf state dot backup, right? what is the what is this file meaning? This file is the backup file. When I will change in the ec2.tf file and apply terraform apply command, the first the terraform state file create a backup of that, means the this file, and again create a new terraform dot state file. You can see here, let me see you cat, just copy this one and paste it here, press enter. You can see the here you can see the tag is hello world, means the it's the previous one, right? What was the thing you changed, you can follow this backup file, right? Suppose I will go to check the terraform.tf state file. You can see the updated one, right? New name is power cloud, right? I think you have understood the concept of uh, the state file and state dot backup file, right? This is the most important thing in terraform. Actually, it's a very important thing, the tf dot state file. Tf dot state file is the current stage, right? And the configuration file, means the tf file, the configuration file is our desired state. When I will apply, means when I will do some changes, our desired thing is converted into the current stage, right? This is the concept, and this is the meaning of the state file, right? So the last command is, what is the last command? That is, the last command is terraform destroy. Let's do this thing, terraform destroy. It's a very powerful command. When you will use this, be sure all the resources created under this folder will destroy, right? Press enter. All those things will be destroyed. Okay, I can see these things, the minus symbol, right? This minus symbol is deleted all those things, and when I was apply all those things, it will show that time plus, right? So pass the value is, press enter. It's destroying. Okay, you can see the destroy completed, destroy complete, resource one destroyed, right? Let me check it will destroy or not. Refresh it, and you can see the power cloud terminated, right? It will destroy, right? Okay, this is for all about the today's class. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Terraform related videos. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.